Good Friday afternoon, and it is a very good Friday afternoon because construction on the pool project is complete. All of our regrades done, everything's seeded, limed, mulched. We were able to gather up all of our excess gravel and out of the stockpile yard over there. Do a little +1 for the customer here, graveled out in front of their garage, and even made a path on out there that you really can't see. All the grade turned out great with the excess dirt and everything we had. The guys absolutely busted their butts on this one. Hard not to be proud of this. Pump's fired up, some leaves and stuff in the bottom. Get that stuff cleaned out. Patio turned out great. Everything's sanded. Pool is running. Pump's in, everything's going good. Still a couple little touch-up things to do. There's Jeff and Sean. Absolutely worked their butts off on this. Trent did too, but he had to go back to school. So we can't be much prouder of this project. Everything turned out really great. Homeowners are thrilled. There's really only one thing left to do with a new pool. And I'm fine being the first one with it.
Cold?
It feels great after all this. Riverscapeswv.com. Stay tuned for more projects.